There you go. 192. Nice. That was a great bait. Oh my god. So and here goes the last bit. Nice. So hello people, how you doing? How is it everything going, you know? I do really hope that everything is totally fine from your side, and I do really hope that today you're gonna be enjoying another my video, and hopefully you're gonna like it as much as you like all other videos. So for that reason, let me just inform you regarding the Telegram private group that I'm having, where I'm uploading all the useful data and very necessary information for you that is going to be very you are going to be using that information and the data that I'm providing there, because if you're willing to trade on a daily basis, and if you're willing to trade at all, that information is vital for you. Just trust me, go and try it, and that's for absolutely free. I mean, don't be afraid that you're supposed to pay something or something like this. It's not like this. So the link is going to be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go. And yeah, today we're starting again with the indicators, enabling the timer, changing the candles, I mean the chart types. Today I'm going to be using Aroon, then Bollinger Bands, Supertrend right here, and Fractal. Actually, yeah, this is it. I'm having $55 in my balance today. Regarding all the settings of these indicators, you may find them my Telegram private group if you're willing to find them. That ain't gonna be a big problem for you, to be honest. Yeah, so let me just finish this, and Aroon, this one as well. Going here. Right now, what I'm having here, I can see that we are in the overbought zone, and I'm expecting a pullback, and there is a pullback is happening, to be honest. And the amount that I'm gonna be betting, that I'm gonna be trading, is 20 bucks. Let's go. Let's play for short. I do really hope that it's gonna be successful trade, and let's just see, wait and see. So 45 seconds, and hopefully we're winning this, you know. So we have 5 seconds here, and it seems like we're winning this. $18 plus.
Oh my god!
I mean, returning on 20 bucks and plus 18.40. Because the payout was 92%, and indeed below the amount on the right hand side in front of the to the payout, you are able to see the amount of the money that you're going to be winning by betting a specific amount. Going to the euro and Japanese yen. So let me draw a rectangle here just to highlight the wide sideways range. And as you can see, currently the price is kind of breaking that. So yeah, why wouldn't I go for that? I just need the great entry point, that's it. At the same time, Aroon confirms that move, so it is. But by the way, guys, it is quite logical, but hopefully you're not missing that. It is very much important to go in short on a green candle and to go for long on a red candle, so you are having, you know, this some space there in case of emergency, because in some cases it might just rescue you. Here we go. Nice. 40 bucks, $40 to my account. I mean, just 40 bucks of profit, you know. Okay, moving to euro and francs. You know, I'm identifying the descending parallel channel. So the price is moving, you know, down from the upper boundary, and as well as Supertrend and oscillator just confirms the move. Ten seconds left, and please just don't try to pull back right now. I don't need that. Oh my god. Such a relief. That was way too risky now. I mean, the risk was not the prediction, but the movement of the candle, you know. We could have run out of the time and just didn't close the bet into the profit. Australian dollars. What do we have here? I mean, right now we are below the resistance level, and there's no pullback. Let me just change it to 75. And honestly, Fractal and Aroon, they kind of voting and they for upward movement, so I would believe them. And we're moving that way. So we have 6 seconds left, and I don't really want the trade to...
Oh my god!
Nice. Okay. That one is nice. I liked it. And right now we're having $239. But so far we haven't really lost any of the bets. And just to remind you that, I started with only $55. I mean, there is a strong bearish trend, and I'm expecting a pullback for the great entry point. One, you know, I was expecting a pullback. While I was expecting that, you know, I didn't just think about it and just pressed on sell, so to make the bet for sure. And at that very second, it just pulled back for just a couple of levels higher. Like, how am I doing this? You know, guys, learn from my mistakes and never do them, please. Never make them again. Betting 100. I mean, but anyways, hopefully we win in this, but kind of not quite of a situation. There we go.
Oh my god!
192. So 100 was ours, and $92 the profit. American dollars and francs again. I mean, the situation is kind of very similar to the previous one, but I mean, the overbought condition remains here. Let me bet 150. So I'm gonna be going for longs. I'm gonna be catching a short pullback. You know, as the price just breaks the range. That one is that one here. Yeah, and just let's wait. Everything seems so fine so far, and we have 25 seconds until the bet ends. Oh, my back. It hurts sometimes. There we go. Nice. That was a great bait. Very much satisfied with that. Now, what do we have? We have a nice situation going to 50 here. I mean, we kind of broke the resistance level, and just price is raising without any pullbacks, without any type of like gains. Hopefully you know what I mean. And we are moving towards breaking the Bollinger Bands midline, and we kind of already done it. I mean, yeah, we're doing that for sure. So guys, as the last bit, just would like to invite you to my Telegram private group again, because I promise you will find it very useful, because the data and the information and the you know, the knowledge that I'm giving you right there, it is not very easy to find and not very easy to shape in that way, shape in an easy way that you will be able to understand the data that I'm giving you, even though you are a beginner, even though you have no idea how the trading works, you know. So in here goes last bit. Nice. Now I'm having $699, and I get it from $55. So the link is going to be below in the description. Do not forget to join there. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So thank you for watching, and arrivederci.